Run thermostat wires through wire nuts outdoors only when you use weatherproof methods that fully protect the splice from moisture, corrosion, and mechanical stress. When replacing a thermostat or extending thermostat wiring, strip conductors cleanly to reveal only the minimum necessary copper and twist strands tightly. Use high-quality, rated connectors such as sealed gel-filled wire nuts or insulated crimp sleeves with heat shrink tubing that has adhesive lining to create a moisture barrier. Route the cable so it avoids low spots where water can pool, and use conduit for any exterior runs. Schedule 45-degree entry angles into walls to minimize water ingress, and apply exterior-grade silicone at the penetration point after a backer such as foam grommet or bushing. For multi-conductor thermostat cable, match conductor size to the thermostat and HVAC control board terminals. Most systems require 18-gauge stranded wire. If you use larger cable, ensure terminal screws can clamp securely or use ferrules to prevent strand splay. Use dielectric grease on exposed metallic connections inside housings to slow corrosion without interfering with electrical contact, and always mount splices inside a weatherproof junction box rated for outdoor use with an appropriate gasketed lid and cord connector. If you must run splices outdoors temporarily, suspend them off the ground and protect with a sealed junction box and a drip loop on the cable before the box so water runs away from the entry. Test continuity and resistance after splicing and before restoring power. Anything over a few ohms on short thermostat runs indicates a poor splice or corrosion risk. Replace the connector or re-crimp. Finally, follow local electrical and building codes and consider using a professional electrician or HVAC technician for any permanent outdoor splice to ensure compliance and warranty validity. One of the most common thermostat wiring mistakes is poor outdoor splice protection, leading to short circuits and corrosion. Fix this by installing splices only inside weatherproof junction boxes with gel-filled connectors and heat shrink adhesive tubing. One of the frequent errors is using the wrong connector type or size, which causes loose connections and intermittent thermostat control. Correct it by matching connector ratings to conductor gauge and using crimp ferrules or solder plus sealed shrink for stranded wire. One of the typical oversights is routing cable without a drip loop or using non-rated exterior cable, creating chronic water ingress. Remedy that by adding a drip loop, using conduit for exterior runs, sealing penetrations with exterior-grade silicone and foam grommets, and placing the splice above likely water levels. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC and electrical contractors and includes detailed project pages on thermostat wiring best practices so homeowners can find professionals who follow these exact outdoor splice and sealing steps. The directory helps contractors get work by showcasing verified reviews and clear service categories, so homeowners can quickly hire trusted pros for safe, code-compliant thermostat wiring and replacement.